Right, so let's have a look at outliers and unusual data. And this is sort of an introduction where we're mainly looking at outliers and what in fact an outlier is, just in a simple data set. So let's get started. An outlier is an element of a data set or a number in a data set that stands out from the rest of the data, is in some way very, very different and probably doesn't look right, or an observation that is numerically distant from the rest of the data, so a long way off. There are a number of causes of outliers, and some of the examples are just a straight error in measurement. You've measured the wrong thing, or you've made a mistake recording the measurement. It's possible that you could record inadvertently from a different data set. So, for instance, you were trying to record the height of a classroom, the students in a classroom, and you recorded a teacher who had walked in and was much taller than the other students, or a student from another class by mistake, because they just happened to wander into the classroom at that time. And some one-off unusual events may also be the cause of it. So the outlier may or may not be wrong, but quite often it's just a measurement issue. So let's have a look and identify some outliers. Let's look at this data set, and it's got a few numbers, and you'll notice that most of them are close to 200, all except one. So look at that closely and then check that you can see the outlier, and it is 361, because it is, over 100 away from all the other numbers, about 150 from most of the other numbers. And here, have a look at a data set here, and you'll also see that one of the numbers there is very, very different from the rest, and in this case it's the number 99. So that's it for outliers for this little bit, and there'll be more on outliers coming up.